Good morning, children, and welcome back to your online classes. I wish you all a very happy new year. I hope you all have enjoyed your vacations. So, let's start again. So, we are going to start chapter 10 in science, and this chapter is about how animals survive. In this chapter, we are going to study about the types of animals, where animals live, what animals eat, adaptations for protection, and the animals in danger. So let's start our first topic of this chapter, the types of animals. So when we talk about how animals survive, animals also have developed certain features like plants which helps them to survive in their environment. Okay, so based on the presence and absence of a backbone, animals can be divided into two groups, invertebrates and vertebrates. So, animals without backbones are known as invertebrates, and animals with backbone are known as vertebrates. So, today we are going to discuss about these two group of animals. So, firstly, let us talk about animals without a backbone. So, invertebrate animals are the animals that do not have a backbone, and they are known as invertebrate. Examples are insects such as spider, cockroach, ant, worms, slug, and snail. Now, when we talk about the insects, the structure of insect is divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Insect have 6 legs and their body is divided into three parts. Most insects have a hard outer covering made up of a material called chitin. Okay? Coming to the next group of animals which are known as vertebrate. So, the animals that have a backbone are called vertebrate. This group consists of a large variety of animals that live in water, and they breathe through gills also. The first, and we all know that they are known as fish. So, fish have fins to swim and their body is covered with scales. So, under the vertebrate category, the first was fish. Now, coming to the next category, that is amphibians. These animals can live on land as well as in water. Very common example is frog. Most of them breathe through lungs when they are on land and through moist skin when they are in water. Coming to the next category is reptiles. So, next, reptiles are the animals that live mainly on the land. Okay, they have scaly skin and of course they reproduce by laying eggs. And fish, amphibians, and reptiles are cold blooded animals, children. It means that their body temperature changes with a change in the temperature of their surroundings. They adjust their body temperature, okay, as per the temperature of the surrounding. And such animals are called cold blooded. Coming to the next category of vertebrate, that is birds. So, the birds have a very light body. They are covered with feathers, okay. They have wings, that helps them to fly. Birds such as ostrich and kiwi, okay, and penguin also cannot fly, and they have a heavy body, so that's why they are known as flightless birds. Some birds cannot fly, like flightless bird. The last category of vertebrates are mammals, which we belong to. Okay, so the group of animals that give birth to babies are called mammals, and the exceptions are always there. So, platypus and spiny anteater are the mammals which do not give birth to babies. Then the mammals breathe through lungs and they move through limbs. Okay, then The mammals have hair on their body, okay, and they are warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded means their body temperature remain constant despite the changes in temperature in the surrounding, unlike the cold-blooded animals. So mammals and birds are warm-blooded animals. Okay, so let's summarize what we have studied today. So animals can be classified into two groups depending upon the presence or absence of a backbone. So animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates, and the animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals are another groups of animals that comes under the category of vertebrates. Out of them, reptiles and amphibians and fish are cold-blooded animals, and birds and mammals are warm-blooded animals. So I hope the topic is clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.